In the next 30 seconds, I'll show you 2 easy ways to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving photos and videos. Welcome to lifefactshacks, where we share simple Android tips that make your phone smarter and your life easier. Method 1. Want to block photos from only certain groups or contacts? Open WhatsApp and select the chat or group you want to manage. Tap the person's name or the group name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Media Visibility. Select No, then tap OK. That's it. New photos and videos from that chat will no longer appear in your gallery. Method 2. Want to stop this for every chat? Open WhatsApp and tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap Chats. Find Media Visibility and switch it off. Now, WhatsApp will stop automatically saving photos and videos from all chats to your gallery. No more cluttered galleries. No more wasted storage space. If this tip helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Lifehacks, and comment WhatsApp if you want more hidden Android tips.